Spyderco's Delica 4. This is in ZDP 189 with green FRN handle. The Delica 4 is a lockback, so as you break it in, you're going to really need to give it a little bit of a goose to get it open with the Spidey flick, but as it breaks in, you'll be able to open it easier and easier. You can one-hand close these. I watched a customer do this the other day and kind of figured out what he was doing. Multi-positional pocket clip, so you can put it in any of the 4 locations that Spyderco is known for having. And if you don't know anything about ZDP 189, it is an excellent value steel. Takes a nice edge, holds it really well, and it's one of the few steels that crosses over into kitchen knives fairly regularly. Absolutely great edge retention, but it is hard to sharpen in the field, so if you like sharpening your knives out while you're doing things, may not be what you're looking for, but if you like a high edge retention knife, then take a look at it, and all the current sizing and pricing information is on the website. Thanks for watching.